Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off backup in Microsoft OneDrive. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your OneDrive. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Microsoft OneDrive account. Then the next thing you need to do is simply click on here, your profile icon, take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to camera backup. And it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on turn off backup. Leave your photo unprotected. Backing up photos and video to OneDrive, ensure that they are safe in case your device is lost or corrupt. Next thing you need to do is to click on I will risk it. And with that, you have turned off the backup on your OneDrive account without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.